in all jobs. First time in Andhra Pradesh, not only teachers, even conductors of RTC bus I reserved, police everywhere. At that time I envisaged one more thing, even RTC drivers also I want to give for women. Reason is very clear, any work women can do, that is what I want to prove. Today, that situation is not there. In IT, women are doing extremely well. If you go to any office of IT, majority are women. In some of the organizations I am watching today, they are more productive, more creative, they are concentrating better than men. That is the reality now. If you see first and second industrial revolution, there is a discrimination for women empowerment at that time. Now, third and fourth, we are going to have gender equity also. I am telling you, all of you are here, you are not inferior to anybody on knowledge. You are much, much superior compared to anybody on knowledge. Future is knowledge economy. In this knowledge economy, you will have an excellent advantage. Now we are all talking now STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. In this, I am very happy. This revolution we cannot miss, especially women has to take leapfrog to achieve our career. India is having some advantages I want to place before all of you. One is demographic dividend. Only the country which is having advantage in the world, India. And also we are very strong in technology. We are very strong in mathematics and English. That's why we are very strong in technology. Biggest market in the world. And also democracy. All these things are our advantage. All of us, including women, can work. This is only the country to achieve double-digit growth. And also I am assuring you, I am telling you, there will be three big economies in the world. One is China, India and America. If all of us will work very hard, the day will come, we will be one or two, not three. That is going to happen in the near future. I am confident about it. For all these things again, women has to play very vital role and also you must be in the forefront. Andhra Pradesh has taken so many initiatives. First state in linking of rivers. First state to connect every home 15 Mbps. First state to have LED bulbs and also with sensor based LED bulbs. And also we are the first state to use biometrics for pensions and rations. You are all aware, India is having biggest advantage of Aadhaar. No other country is having. Every citizen have authentication through UAID. Your fingerprint is enough. Through your finger, you can draw any transactions. That is the beauty no other country is having. This is a very good game changer also for achieving our progress. Ease of doing business, we are number one. Universal health scheme, we are number one to introduce this. Use of Internet of Things, we are number one. With all these things, what I want to impress upon you all, this is the first National Women Parliament. We have started here. We are not going to stop. We will continue to focus and also we want to empower women fully. Till that time, our government is with you. Our government is going to encourage women in all walks of life. You name anything, everywhere we will encourage you. I am very happy. As on today, so many women in India and abroad have done extremely very good work. You have seen Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India, and also Chief Ministers, number of persons are Chief Ministers, and also speakers, and also today also Sumitra Mahajanji, she is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Sushma Swaraj, earlier she was the opposition leader, today again he is the Minister for External Affairs. Indra Nooyi, he is the CEO of PepsiCo, and also Kiran Bedi, she was earlier police officer, very dynamic police officer, now she is in politics and also Lieutenant Governor. Vasundhara Raje, PV Sindhu, like that you name so many people. They have done extremely well in different walks of life. Our Honorable Prime Minister is giving so much of importance for women empowerment, and also he is giving so many programs for women also. I am very happy under his leadership, India is going to transform totally. This is a very inspiring time. Today is the first time I am seeing all important leaders, nearly 16,000 of women who are all excellent work they have done in different walks of life. They are all here. In this conference, what I want to request, 3 days, we are going to have different discussions. Ultimately, we are going to focus women problems and future of women. It is only possible through empowerment. I am confident this meeting, this platform is going to give a new direction for the nation, not only for the nation, for the globe also. For that, I am very happy. Confidence is important. Confidently we can move forward. Everything is possible. Every woman is having their own career. Finally, I am requesting one thing, dare to dream, strive to achieve. Every woman should have a dream. In your lifetime, you want to leave a good legacy. For that, you must have a dream, make it a vision. To achieve that vision, you work hard. I am confident we will achieve it. So, I am a strong believer of women empowerment. I am very happy for that. Even in my family, I can tell you, long back I started one family business. I entrusted that work to my wife. Now she is doing wonderful work compared to men. Even my daughter-in-law, my wife are looking after that business. I am doing service for the people. So both are sharing. That is what I wanted to tell all of you. We are sharing. It is possible. In this country, both men and women, we have to work hard. Another thing I want to place before you, India is only the country which is having excellent cultural heritage, family bond. Nowhere, no country is having this. If both women and men work together and earn together and move together for their career building, and ultimately they have to live together also with happiness. That is what we have to move in that direction. I am very happy by seeing all of you. I got so much of confidence now. What all I think, I am confident we will achieve it. That is the day I am seeing in the near future. With this, again and again, I welcome all delegates for this historic meeting. 3 days we are going to stay here, and also you are going to contribute so many things in so many fields so that it will be remembered in the history of India, and also it is going to give a new inspiration for the globe also. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you.